Hi, my name is Bipin Kumar. I am from Sajapur, Uttar Pradesh. I had great learning experience with the Vision, and the Vision providing me good practical knowledge and also theoretical knowledge. In Vision, I can learn networking, networking, Linux, Windows, and VMware, and also ITIL, and in Windows related issues like Windows related issues like BSOD error, and how to connect the internet, if internet not connected, you can resolve how to configure the internet. And after that, I learned that Linux in Linux so many commands, just for example, cd command, cat command, copy command, or delete command, del command also. And in VMware, like how we can join the one machine to second machine, how to configure the machines, and like if any facing any issues, facing any issues. If any student wants to join the Aviation, you can join the. It's a very good platform. Thanks Aviation to secured me a good job in a Deloitte company. Currently, I'm working in Deloitte. That's why I am suggest to everyone that it's a very good opportunity, good platform for every students who want to join, who want to get a good job in IT companies. So you can join. Vision is providing you mock interviews also, and real interviews, and providing you more student companies and like other things. I want to suggest everyone to join a Vision, and thanks a Vision and all supporting staff to secured. I secured a good job in a Deloitte companies. Currently, right now I am working in a Deloitte. So thanks for everyone. Thanks again.